In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best kids tennis rackets that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Headspeed Kids Tennis Racket. A fantastic racket from one of the biggest brands in the business, the Headspeed Junior is ideal for those looking to take their tournament game to the next level. The racket has a relatively short length handle, making it easy to swing and control. An oversized head gives your child confidence in making consistent contact with the ball each and every time. The racket comes available in 4 different sizes, 19-inch, 21-foot, 23, and 25, and is pre-strung with a quality polyester, soft-feeling string. Weighing in at 240 g with a 16 by 19 string pattern, the Headspeed will not disappoint. An excellent racket for beginners and intermediate level players, the Headspeed offers lightweight construction, durability, and big brand quality. Number 2. Weierfu Junior Tennis Racket for Kids. An excellent little racket designed specifically for toddlers, the Weierfu Junior Tennis Racket is the perfect addition to your child's game. Easy to control and lightweight, the racket is an excellent starter option for toddlers aged from 2 to 5 years of age. The racket has little grips designed for toddlers but also offers a surprisingly solid feel material. The racket head size is 65-inch, which is ample enough for a beginner toddler and helps make consistent contact. Stylish design and lovely grip feel, the Weierfu Junior Racket is the perfect racket for those parents looking to involve their children in tennis. Excellent racket for beginners and in particular young girls. Number 3. Street Tennis Club Racket. The Street Tennis Club Racket is designed by a US family and strives to provide quality products that help enhance your child's game. The racket helps in the development of your child's motor skills, such as hand-eye coordination. It comes pre-strung with a soft polyester string with quality construction. Available in 3 different sizes, 17-inch, 19, and 21, the racket is composed of lightweight aluminum, which helps with swing speed and control. The grips are small and comfortable with a soft touch feel. According to the manufacturer's recommendation, the 17-inch racket is ideal for players aged 2 to 5 years old. An excellent racket made by a US-based family looking to enhance your children's play and enjoyment of the game. Number 4. Wilson Junior Pink Burn. The Wilson Junior Pink Burn is a racket target at the junior player at the beginner level. The racket is lightweight, making it very easy to control. An oversized head helps your child make clean and consistent contact, helping make tennis an enjoyable experience. Made from lightweight aluminum material, the racket is ideal for juniors who are just starting out. Head size is 103 inches and provides good power, especially for those who are progressing to play from the baseline. The string pattern is designed to put maximum spin on the ball, and the racket comes with a comfortable grip. The racket is designed for comfort in mind and will help your daughter enjoy the game via an easy-to-swing, lightweight racket. Number 5. Babolat 2018 Pure Drive Junior. This well-known brand is now a household name thanks to Rafa Nadal, who has used the brand throughout his career. The quality of the racket is outstanding, and the design is always on point. The racket provides good power and is easy to handle with nice control. Perfect for kids aged between 8 to 12 years old, this racket will not disappoint, and your kids will be the talk of the club. The racket is at the pricier end but offers performance and will take your kids' game to the next level. Well worth the money, the durability and quality far outweigh the costs of the racket.